Dear students, welcome to this series of video lessons for Standard 4 Computer Science. Before we start our first lesson, here is one general instruction for all of you. Whichever resource you use to see this video lesson, like your parents' mobile, use it carefully and only for the given purpose. As a student of computer science, you should develop this habit of using resources properly, which will help you in future when you come to computer lab for doing your practicals. In this first video lesson, you will learn about computer. Here are some key points that you are going to learn in this video lessons. What is computer? How to start and turn off a computer? Components of desktop screen. Nowadays, there are many types of devices which have features of computers. Most of the time, we use a desktop computer or a laptop computer. In desktop computer, as you can see in the picture, there are many peripherals or parts like monitor, keyboard, mouse, speaker, etc. connected to a system unit. As per definition, it is an electronic device which performs arithmetic and logical operations. This definition we will decode in our next slides. In laptop computer, most of the peripherals like keyboard, mouse, screen are all inbuilt. So it is very convenient to use and to carry anywhere. Now, as I said earlier, let us decode the definition of computer. We will see why computer is an electronic and logic device. It is an electronic device because it consists of many electronic parts. As you can see in the picture, inside the system unit, there are many parts like motherboard, RAM, hard disk, etc. These are all electronic devices. That is why it is called as an electronic device. It is also called a logical device because it can perform some logical or decision making functions based on the limited knowledge or information given to it earlier. How to start a computer? In most of the computers like desktops or laptops, we have one button called as power button as shown in the picture. When you press this button, computer performs booting process and then it starts. This booting is a process in which computer loads some essential program which are required for its working. Here I assume that the main electrical power is already on. If you yourself going to switch on this main electrical power, then be careful. How to turn off a computer? In this step, we will learn why it is very important To turn off a computer properly, if you directly turn off a main power supply, then problems might come in the hard disk of a computer. So proper turning off of computer is very essential. To turn off a computer, you have to first click on number 1 written in red on the left hand side bottom corner of the picture. After that, you have to click on shutdown option besides number 2 written in red. If we do this process, computer will automatically shut it down properly. Components of a desktop screen. In this section, you will learn about various components of a desktop screen. Appearance of a desktop screen may vary as per the type of operating system you use. A typical desktop screen contains icons, start button, quick access toolbar, etc. All of them have their separate functions. Commonly used desktop items. Start button. Start button gives us access to all the installed programs in the computer. So if you click on the start button, then all the installed programs in the computer you can access. My computer. This icon My Computer gives you access to all the storage locations. Recycle bin. Now this icon on the desktop provides temporary storage medium for all your deleted files. So if you are deleting a file in a normal way, then it goes in the recycle bin. As I mentioned earlier, appearance of a desktop screen may vary as per the type of operating system you use. Picture shows a desktop screen for the operating systems like Windows 8 or 10. As you can see in the picture, it looks little different from what we discussed earlier. So let us recap some important points that you have learnt in this lesson at a glance. Here are some keywords about all the sections that you have learnt up till now. Remember these keywords so that it will be easier for you to recall everything what we have learnt. Computer. Electronic device which performs arithmetic and logical operations. Types. Desktop and laptops are most widely used computers. Starting of a computer. Press power button and then wait for booting process. Shut down or turn off a computer. Click start button on the screen and click on shutdown option. Some commonly used desktop items. Start button, my computer and recycle bin icons. I hope you all have understood the topic. In our next video lesson, we will learn about block diagram of computers, files and folders. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy, take care.